Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am filming this intro ahead of time because the look involves a bald cap and I did not want to be doing my intro engaged in full potato mode because it's kind of a lot. So for Christmas this year I received a fair bit of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday Alien collection, including the lovely palette, which is larger than my face, and I have a giant head. I really wanted to do something fun and different with it, so I wanted to do another alien makeup. I've done an easy alien makeup before. I'll put it in a little card. I wanted to do a fun alien look, kind of inspired by the color story within the palette. I really liked this color story, and I liked what he said in his launch video that this year, well, 2018, I'm filming this in 2018 still, but this video will probably go up in 2019, that 2018 was filled with warm tone palettes. I feel like every makeup company launched some rose goldy, pinky, blushy, warm palette, and this is fun, cool tones, which I think is great to do stuff that isn't really happening a lot within the makeup trends and kind of the market. So as always, all the products, my social media, and the music used will be listed in the description, and with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. I started the look by mapping out the general eye shape with eyeliner. Then I based out my head and chest with green body paint.
I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
I used 2 other shades of green body paint to stipple over the base color to break it up a bit.
Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I highlighted my face and body with yellow body paint.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be, what I have around me.
I used Flying Saucer from the Alien palette to contour and start adding some dimension to the look.
With you, walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I filled in my new alien eyes with black body paint. I also used the black to add in the straps of the little spacey choker.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down
I added the center ring to the choker with silver body paint, and instead of just a standard little ring, I made the center to look like Saturn.
I can't go back to walking through all the dust, memories in frame.
To add a bit more texture to the look, I stenciled some yellow body paint over the high points.
Close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel
To bring out that texture even more, I highlighted the top of the shapes with a lighter yellow body paint and the bottom edges of the shapes with a deeper yellow body paint. I used a Kelly green body paint to add in the eyelids around my new large eyes.
When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be, what I have around me.
I highlighted the centers of the eyelids and my face with the shade Alien from the Alien palette.
Walking through all the dust, memories in frame, a past we simply let fade. What I don't.
And I used Flying Saucer along with a few darker green eyeshadows from Coastal Scents to shade the edges of the eyelids to really sell the illusion of them being rounded, not just flat and painted on.
With you, you make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I also used those shadows to shade beneath the choker to make it appear as if it was on top of my skin. I sharpened up all those little new shadows with a thin line of dark green body paint.
What deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories in frame, a past we simply left.
I highlighted the choker with a bit of white body paint.
Door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
I added a shiny highlight to the eyes with white eyeshadow and refined the shape with black eyeshadow.
Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I used Interstellar from the Alien palette to further highlight my face. I applied Jeffree Star's You're Still on the Property to my lips.
When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing.
And I added a bit of highlight to my lips with Probe from the Alien palette.
Walking through.
And that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It was a really fun one to do. I'd still like to know what types of videos you guys would like to see me try out on my content quest this year, so leave any requests in the comments below. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out my last video, or click that bottom link to check out a video YouTube's robots think you'll like. And if you want to become a member of the Potato Patch, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe.